TBA Quarterfinals. Full highlights. Barangay Ginebra contra Meralco Bolts, pero bago ang lahat mga ka-Big Boss, magandang pagbabalik mga ka-Big Boss, pwede bang paki-like and subscribe at pahit ng notification bell. Barangay Ginebra na may 7 panalo na, at ang Meralco Bolts na may 6 na panalo. Sa tingin nyo mga ka-Big Boss, sino kaya ang mananalo sa dalawang kupunan na ito ngayong araw na ito? Paki-comment na lang sa baba mga ka-Big Boss kung saan ka sa dalawang team na ito. Maraming salamat.
Big action with falling away. Sorry. Bring over. That's testing minus testing arm. LA for 3. Passes it to Quito. Quito on the break. Stops. Pops it. Gets one. Nice pass for LA. Alain. C-stand for 3. Yeah. Nice roll inside. Hodge. Quito. Sets up Banquero. And Banquero. Now here's that point. Willie wanted to fit. Average tries to get inside. That's a shot blocked by Alain. Once again. From the 50. As deep as he has done now from his bench. The German team, that was awful. Do some awkward places here. Good shot, Mendoza.
Here in the second half, they will try other things when it comes to their offense.
Put up the last time out. Today, it's the exact opposite approach. And it's enough to keep their offense. After the rebound, but C-stand is there. Morning went for the contact first. Newsom. Maverick blasted for space. He stays with it. Rivera will challenge. Yep. Maliksi stops and can find Maliksi. Maliksi open for 3. Bang!
When he is wide open.
Now at 31. Thought about it. Finds Almazan. Almazan extra pass. And Pascual. Maverick. Finds Japet. Chris to the wing. Maliksi for 3. Bang! Good possession here. The Bolts. Maliksi says, let me get a quick one. Maliksi inside. Easy. Karam left open for this long two. It's Karam.